Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Today, we're taking a close look at a seemingly ordinary coin that might be hiding extraordinary worth. This coin, 1 penny Elizabeth 2002 coin. Stay with us as we explore its history, features, and why this humble coin is turning heads among collectors. The 1 penny coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II has a long-standing presence in British currency. First introduced in 1971 during decimalization, this coin has seen multiple design updates and minting variations over the years. The 2002 version might look simple, but there are small details that make it a treasure in disguise. Queen Elizabeth II appears on the obverse side of the coin, wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. This portrait was created by Ian Rank Broadley and was used from 1998 to 2015. It's known for its realistic representation of the Queen, with a mature and dignified expression that symbolizes continuity and stability. The reverse side of the coin, in 2002, carries the badge of the House of Plantagenet, a crowned portcullis, which is also used as the emblem of the Palace of Westminster. Designed by Christopher Ironside, this symbol represents strength, power, and royal legacy. The attention to detail in this design adds to the coin's appeal. The metal composition of the 1 penny coin from 2002 is copper-plated steel. Prior to 1992, these coins were made of bronze, but due to rising metal prices, the Royal Mint switched to a cheaper alternative. Despite this change, the coin retains a pleasing reddish tone and feels solid in hand point. One of the unique factors that makes the 2002 1 penny coin worth noticing is the presence of error coins. Some pieces were minted with off-center strikes, double dies, or misaligned edges. These minting errors are rare, but they make the coin significantly more valuable in the collector's market. Beyond errors, limited production runs also play a part in a coin's rarity. Although over 700 million 1 penny coins were minted in 2002, not all of them have survived in perfect condition. Circulated coins often lose their detail over time, while uncirculated or proof versions can fetch high prices due to their pristine appearance. Condition is critical when assessing the value of any collectible coin. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to mint state. A 2002 1 penny coin in near mint or proof condition with a clean strike and clear details can become a collector's prize. Coins with errors or unique markings become even more desirable. Now, let's talk about the value. While a regular 2002 1 penny coin in circulated condition might only be worth its face value, rare variations and error coins can command shocking prices. In certain auctions, a misprinted 1 penny Elizabeth 2002 coin has reportedly reached a valuation of up to $2 million. That's right. What looks like a simple coin could be worth a fortune. This kind of value comes not just from rarity, but from demand, provenance, and the story behind the coin. If the coin has been verified by a reputable grading service, and especially if it's one of a kind due to a minting anomaly, collectors are often willing to pay large sums to own a piece of numismatic history. So, how can you find out if your 1 penny 2002 coin is valuable? First, examine it closely under a magnifying glass. Look for any abnormalities in the design, lettering, or edges. Compare it with standard minting examples. If something looks different, it's worth getting a professional appraisal. Another key factor is the coin's provenance. Coins with a known and traceable history, especially those connected to significant collections or events, tend to hold higher value. It's worth researching your coin's background if you suspect it may be rare or special. For collectors and enthusiasts, this coin 1 penny Elizabeth 2002 coin is more than just a piece of metal. It represents a moment in time, a symbol of British heritage, and potentially a hidden gem in your pocket change. Even if you don't find the $1 million version, starting a collection opens the door to an exciting world of history and discovery. Thank you for watching video. We hope this video inspired you to check your own coin stash. You never know what might be hiding in plain sight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Old Coin Z Collection.